Welcome to the first lesson of Full Stack Web Development course. This lesson is about installing the necessary pieces of software. For this course, we will need a web browser to browse web pages, a code editor to write codes, and a local server to set up our websites. You can use any web browser, code editor, and local server you want. However, my preferences are Google Chrome browser, Sublime text editor, and XAMPP local server. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to download and install these pieces of software. Let's get started. To download and install Google Chrome browser, go to your existing web browser, then type download Google Chrome. Click on this link. Then click on Download Chrome. Then click on Accept and Install. After that, click on Run. And then click on Run again. Google Chrome browser will start installing. Once the installation is completed, the browser will be up and running. You can use any other browser. However, Google Chrome browser has a set of powerful developers tool. That is why I prefer it. Now, we will download and install Sublime text editor. For that, launch a browser. I'm launching Google Chrome. Then type download Sublime text editor. Go to the first result. I'm downloading Sublime Text 3. It is recommended to download the latest one. Click on Sublime Text 3. The download page will appear. I'm working on a 64-bit Windows PC. That is why I'm downloading this one. If you are using some other operating system, make sure you are downloading the compatible version of Sublime Text. Once the download is completed, click on the installer file. Then click on Run if this window appears. From this window, you can choose the location where you want to install the Sublime text. I'm keeping it as it is. Then press Next. Check this box to add Sublime text in your Windows Explorer context menu. Click on Next. Then click on Install. Once the installation is completed, click on Finish. If you go to the Start menu now, the Sublime text should be available there. Well done! You have installed the code editor we're going to use for this course. Now we will download and install XAMPP local server. To do it, open a web browser. Now type download XAMPP. Go to the top search result. There are multiple versions of XAMPP. I'm downloading the latest one. Wait till the download is completed. Once the download is completed, click on the downloaded installer. It may throw a warning. It is nothing serious. Simply press OK. The installation will start. Press Next. Then press Next again. You can change the installation directory. I'm keeping it as it is. Press Next and Next again. Ignore this web page and continue with the installation process by clicking here. Press Next and the installation has started. The XAMPP is requesting for permission to communicate over public network. Press Allow Access. Alright, the installation is completed. Click on Finish button. Now choose a language for the XAMPP. My preference is English. After that, you'll see the XAMPP icon in the icon tray. It means the XAMPP server has been installed and running. Let us test if the server is working. For that, double-click on the XAMPP icon. Then start Apache and MySQL. The XAMPP server will request for permission to access the network. Allow access from here. Now open a browser and type localhost. You'll see that the server will serve this web page from the local server. That means it is working properly. Alright, we have installed browser, code editor and local server. That means we are ready to start learning full-stack web development. That's all for this lesson. In the next lesson, we will learn HTML, the basic language of web pages.